We're back trying to figure out how to um, basically rearrange my coding now that I've structured all of my functions, but 3 of the 5 functions that are here are not actually complete. They just need they need restructuring. So that's why we're running very, very slowly with this assignment that is due tomorrow. So yeah, get going here in a few minutes. Okay. So oh man, I guess we'll just get straight into it, huh? So here's our here's the assignment. Let's start from number 1, since now we just need to restructure everything. This isn't complete. Everything's just not fully complete. Let's just start from the beginning and see if we can just read through and we'll read through and see what we can accomplish now that we've written down sort of step by step. Uh, we've basically just translated our assignment here. We basically just translated this into Visual Studio Code. Um, yeah, it's not runnable yet though, so that's kind of what we have to do now is to make it actually testable. It actually needs to work. That's the big if statement here, considering all the restrictions and whatnot. But all right, index. So the goal of index, you get a dictionary, you return a new dictionary. So the 13714, where 57 after 314. We return, okay, so we switched the numbers and the keys. So the values become the keys, and the keys become the values. So 1374. 13714. Here we have 57, and then we have 314. So all of these numbers appear as keys. So first we need a set of these numbers. So new dictionary. So that's what this is saying. So let me read through the code actually, and then we'll translate that into our assignment. So we have a new dictionary. It's our return value. Boom. This needs to be a dictionary. And then we have a set. So what are we going to do with this set? So this is saying, for K in dictionary, So I can already see that this is broken because this has no statements. This value should not appear anywhere. So I can see already that this is a mess. So this is, yeah, so like I was saying, we need to do something with this set. I see that I created this set, but then I never add anything to the set. So maybe that's what I was doing here. So this is for int. I'm going to say, say for int, or let's say num, and d.values. So yeah, I wrote this little comment here because at the beginning of this assignment, I have never used a set before, just sorting. I would make a list and then I would use sort or like remove a duplicate number or something, which would involve maybe something along the lines of this like 5 or 6 line code statement. So the use of set is actually extremely helpful. So for each number in these values, 1, 3, 7, 14, 5, 7, 3, 14. So for each of those, for num and values, I guess this is actually a list. So for list and values, for num and list, we need to add to our I'm just going to label this set. It doesn't really need to be dset. We'll just do set. Add num. So now we have our numbers. So I want to see if it sorts it. It should sort it already, but I want to confirm that again because I have not used this in depth. So if we have set equals empty set, let's add out of order. So let's add 2. And we'll add 4. And then we'll add 3. We'll add 21. And 11. And 0. So it does sort the list 0, 2, etc. The set, I'm sorry, not list. So here's our set with our new keys. So for num and set, new dictionary, num equals this string. This is key. So we'll actually just say set, because that is our output, our value for each is a set. So this is saying for key in our new dictionary, for key in our original dictionary, let's say for string in dictionary, if key is in the string, so the keys in our new dictionary are the numbers. For a string in the original dictionary, I'll just highlight this by saying keys. It'd be like that. For string in d.keys, if I mean, I could, but I'm not going to, just to show that we don't have to, because I think we did that in our other examples. So ret, if our key is in dictionary string, so if our number is in our value, then new dictionary key, which is each num in our new dictionary. So I'll keep it at num since we used that previously. So num is equal to string. Or I guess we would need a set, because it could appear multiple times. So if that number is in our list of values, then we'll do so the and after both. Because originally, so this would say if the number is in the string, so if the number is in here, set it. So 1 would be the for string for each num. So it would start with 1 and go through here and say it would ask, is 1 in here? Yes, okay. 1 equals the, and then it would go here and say where, but there's no 1. So like for 3 where there's 2 values, it would add the, but then my code would replace the with after. It wouldn't add after to the, it would just replace. So how do we add after? Basically need to like add to a set. If so 1 3 7 14 Hmm. So if the number is in our string, then we can add this. I guess we'll just do like, see, it'd be nice if we could create a list for each num. So let's try, so if num is in string, new list, or new set is equal to an empty set. Num in string new set is equal to an empty set. So the 1, 3, 7, 14, the 5, 7, the 3, 14, So if the number is in the string, we'll add string. To the new set. And then we'll do new dictionary string. Wait, no, it'd be new dictionary num is equal to new set. And then we can clear new set, which I thought I made. New set is equal to empty set. So ba, 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 ba. think that works. So if I'm just gonna reread. New dictionary creates the dictionary. And we have a set. So for list in dictionary values, so for this list, for each number, add it to our set. So we have a set of numbers. For each number in that set, new dictionary, that number, equals empty set. So now we have a dictionary with the numbers with empty sets. To make this clear, well, no, that's fine. Or here, let me make. Oh yeah, that'll work. So for number in dictionary, so we're at 1. For string in dictionary, so we go to the. For number in the values, so we have another 1. It says if. Well, so for string and dictionary, so for each of these strings, if number is in our values, so I'm saying if the number is in here, create a new set and add this string to the new set, but then here it adds. Okay, so new set data add string. For number in your dictionary, for string in dictionary, numbers in dictionary, so we add the string. So then it's going to go to the next string. For string in dictionary, so we're at where. If numbers in string, this clears the set. So we actually want the new set before. So let's put the new set here. Number in dictionary, for string in dictionary, new set. Number in dictionary. So for string and dictionary, there's a new set. So we go here. If number isn't, so new set, if number is in string, number is in string. Yes, it is. Add the string to the set. Okay. Then we go to the next string. It still clears the set. So we need to move it again because we don't want the set to be clear. We want to test all of these strings before we clear the set. So set clear. Oops. This is our new set. New set. Ugh. Oof. Oh my goodness. Ugh. For number in dictionary, new set equals to set for string in dictionary. If number, oopsies. If number in string. Okay, so here it will reset after each number, which is what we want it to do. So we look at 1. If these are in there, we add the set. So basically for each string, if numbers in the string, add the string to the set. Else pass, and then go to the next string. So basically what this is saying is for each number. So after the new number, we make a new set, add values to the set, and then add that set. So new D, new set. Actually, no. Num is equal to new set. So for each number, create a set. For string and dictionary, for string in the original dictionary, see if that number is in the value. If the number is in the value, add that string to a set. New dictionary number equals new set. And that's how we get this. And it does that for each number in our, which is each key in our new set. When we're done, we return our new dictionary. So this is ready for test. And I'm gonna cut this one off short, and we will venture into this one is, I think, our longest. Well, yeah, I think this is the longest. We have, let's see, one. Well, this one's pretty long too. So we have 1, 2 that look like they need to be restructured. And then we will run everything through the tester after so we need to restructure capitalization and our line merger, just merge. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Thank you.